A few weeks ago, like many of our clients do, the Cancer Center wanted to create Spanish versions of these ads. So we scheduled dates and times to shoot those, but there was a problem. I'm Aaron, and this is Behind the Craft. About 6 months ago, we created these really cool spots for the Cancer Center. The concept is that as former patients talk about their symptoms, diagnosis, and how happy they are that they caught their cancer early, they slowly fade away, saying that if they hadn't, they might not be here today. Because I really wanted to illustrate the void left behind once the patients disappeared, we shot in this large, unused warehouse. This location was awesome. It really gave the final shot that vast emptiness I was looking for and left a great lasting impression for the ad. The rest was simple. We shot our interviews and then got those exact same shots without the interviewees. In post, I'd layer those shots and then slowly lower the opacity over the 30-second runtime. A few weeks ago, like many of our clients do, the Cancer Center wanted to create Spanish versions of these ads. But rather than just translating and having Spanish voices read the English-speaking patients' stories, we realized quickly that it would be more powerful to get real Spanish-speaking patients and have them tell their real stories. So we scheduled dates and times to shoot those, but there was a problem. The unused warehouse was no longer vacant and would be unavailable for the foreseeable future. That was a bummer because I really wanted to keep a consistent look and feel for this campaign. And I felt it was important that the Spanish spots matched their English counterparts. Luckily, because of the nature of this campaign, I already had lots of empty warehouse and chair footage we could use. So I drew guides tracing the horizon lines and chairs in each of the shots to help me match the exact angles from the previous shoot. Placed them on my camera's viewfinders, set up in our studio on green and blue screen backgrounds, and shot our Spanish interviews there. And well, it looks awesome. Just goes to show that with a little creativity, you can still achieve your desired results out of a less than ideal situation. Subscribe for more.